It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I am doing a review on these brushes, okay? So this is a 16-piece brush set, a lot of brushes, and I'm going to show you the brush and what I used it for. I went in with this double-sided brush to first brush my brows, and I'm just filling them in with a pencil from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going back in with that brush to just brush those hairs out. Now I'm going to use my Mary Kay concealer under my eye and in between my brows, and I'm going to use this concealer brush to really define that, and then I'm going to blend it out with a different brush. So of course you can use the brushes however you see fit. I am just going to try my best to show you the brush and then show you what I used it for. Of course, the smaller brushes are for eyeshadow and the bigger brushes are for the face. But if you get this set and you use it however you want to use the brush, then that's your business, okay? So I am just going to kind of buff this out. And I have used these brushes a couple of times. I have washed them and everything, and it doesn't feel like they're gonna come apart or anything like that. So I love this set. The handle is pretty. I like that the where you hold it is black, just in case you get makeup on that part, you can just clean that off. And the hairs on the brushes are really soft. So this brush set was only like $10. So quality wise, it's probably not gonna feel like an expensive brush and all this kind of stuff, but the hair is really soft and it really got the job done. It blended the eyeshadow nicely, and the face brushes, you will see those in a second. So I like the set. If you're trying to get 16 brushes where you can use just those brushes to do your whole face, this is, a good deal in my opinion. So I mainly use those 3 brushes for the eyeshadow. Then I went back in and blended everything. So the eyeshadow is a thumbs up. Now for the face, I'm going to apply my Mary Kay foundation primer and my Mary Kay foundation in various shades, and I'm going to use some more of the Mary Kay concealer. So y'all know I love a good flat top Kabuki brush, okay? I have some that I sell myself, so whenever I try out a brush like that, it definitely has to perform. But these brushes did a really good job. Even the ones that were not a flat top, that were rounded, those did well as well. I mainly use those to apply the powder. So I'm using one of those smaller brushes to really get around the brows. For each step, it was like a brush for it. Brushes that I don't even typically use, I used in this kit just so I can kind of see, if I could really do everything with just this brush set. So y'all know I just pat that foundation into the skin. I applied some foundation in a lighter color, and then I'm just going to blend that in with the same brush. And I don't really do a lot of swiping. I just, you know, press it into the skin. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer. And we just gonna press it all in. I feel like my makeup was just so amazing on this day. I even went in with this brush, which is a brush that I typically don't use, to press in under the eye, and it got under there really well. So if you have a brush like that and you don't know what to use it for, hey, go under the eye. Then I'm going in with this slanted flat top to press in that concealer. And back in with this brush to really get under the eye. And for me, I get a lot of creasing in that area, so using this kind of brush to press under there, I really enjoyed that. So on this day, I got up early, I took my time and really just beat my face. I knew it was going to be a difficult day. I did not anticipate that it was going to be as difficult as it was. Here I'm going in with this kind of rounded brush to press some powder in there, and it was doing the job, okay? And I'm also going to use one of these brushes to press in the powder all over my face. And after I have that powder pressed in, I'm just going to kind of go and blend everything. But I knew it was going to be a difficult day because I was getting ready to go to a funeral first of all. And on the way to the funeral, got a crazy call about an, you know, exposure possibility or whatever. So we ended up having to leave the funeral to go get tested, and we were waiting there for 4 hours. So I was just I just feel like I mentally prepared myself to go to the funeral and, you know, be around my family and experience all of those things that I didn't necessarily want to experience, because I don't really like, you know, funerals and death and all that kind of stuff. I don't like to talk about that and feel that and experience that. But I mentally prepared myself and got ready. You know, I was in good spirits and everything, and then finding out about that possible exposure incident, that put a damper on the whole day. So it was just a crazy day. But I have the pictures and I have this video to remember how beautiful I looked on that day, even though I sat in the car all day for 4 hours. But I was gorgeous though, you know. So editing this is bringing up some of that, but that's okay. The tests were negative, and after quarantining and all that kind of stuff, you know, everything was good. So thank God about that. But I did go in with the other, it was like a slanted kind of round brush. I went in with that one to apply some powder, and now I'm going in with, I believe, that same brush to apply my contour. And I used the little fan brush to apply some highlight. I typically don't use that brush but I tried it, and if you like your highlight to be concentrated, I would definitely use that brush. I like to just kind of smear mine on, so I use a bigger brush to apply it just so I can get some more on. And if your lipstick breaks, the Mary Kay lipsticks are really soft, so what I like to do is just use a brush to apply it. So I use one of the brushes in this kit, and it just goes on like butter. So I applied some mascara and my Itz Sirap lashes in Assertive. If you know, you know. With my tweezers and everything, you can grab all of that from my site, and boom, boom, pow, okay? Now it's time to apply my jewelry and everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This look was amazing for such a difficult day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave me some comments and let me know what kind of makeup videos y'all want to see. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video, and my affiliate link will be in the comments below so that you guys can go grab this bomb makeup brush set.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.